What's up, guys? Hey, we finally put the tires on the TRX4 Sport.
Yeah.
Aiden, we had the tracks on there.
Yeah.
It does pretty good, but Aiden wanted to try it with the tires, so we got brand new tires on there.
Yeah, I like.
And we're gonna see how it does crawling. What do you think, Aiden?
Yeah.
All right, we got the TRX4 Sport, we got the Blazer, and we got the Mercedes 6x6. We're gonna hit the trails and do a little crawling here on a Sunday afternoon, baby. All right, we're gonna do a little crawling here on these trails, see if we can find some good rock. These trails are pretty good, actually.
Yeah. I'd say.
All right, guys, so we put the tires, like I said, on the TRX4 Sport. This truck is just single speed transmission, but when you put the tires on it, you change it to a 16 tooth pinion gear so that it could go faster.
Goes a
It
lot.
actually goes pretty good.
Yeah, it goes a lot faster than with the tires on. Yeah.
Why? Oh yeah, that's right. I put the 3-cell in there. Why, Aiden? It doesn't matter. It'll go faster with the 3-cell.
Yeah.
Oh, this is perfect for trailing. Yeah, this is awesome.
I gotta get another steering horn for this.
Some really nice rocks here. What do you say, Andrew?
Yeah.
All right, let's hit this line. You got to go right through this spot here. Let's see what we can do. Oh, high centered. I got to change my line here. I have to change my line.
See if the 6x6 could do it. And the T-Rex just made it. The TRX4 just made it.
This is where the bodies get bashed. Oh, can we get out of that? Can we get out of it? Yeah. Oh, and a nice recovery.
Yeah. Where's your some?
front of you.
Oh, maybe the TRX4 Sport or not. Yeah.
Hey guys, the TRX4 Sport is doing really well with the tires. I think it's definitely a good option to put the tires on it. It seems like it's really going well. Climbing, even with all the diffs locked, it's doing a great job.
And it's got a 3-cell.
Yeah, Aiden just mentioned that. We're running on a 3-cell LiPo. Aiden, just give it a quick speed there to show everybody how quick it is. It actually goes a lot faster than the Traxxas. Most Traxxas you cannot go fast.
But you could get different tracks.
Yeah, you could get different tracks to tread, but it's doing real well.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to do a little upgrade too, because I think the Blazer needs a light kit.
Yeah.
Because these trucks look real cool with the lights. Angle like that and then turn up into it and down right through here.
All right.
Okay? Yeah, there you go. Hit it right on the left. Hit it left. Hammer on it. These rocks are going to be slippery. They got moss on them. It's going to be a little tough to get some grip on this. There you go. Go ahead, Aiden. Back up. Yep, and then you want to hit it hard.
Like right up here.
All right. You got the 6x6 attempt in that rock.
And
Oh wow, look at that thing crawl right up it.
Man.
That is really cool. I'll tell you what, that 6x6 does a really nice job of crawling.
Yeah.
I think that extra axle, the wheelbase, it just turns it into a whole nother level. The Sport is doing really well. I think the Blazer performs well also.
Yeah.
Basically all stock trucks here.
Yeah.
That 6x6 does really nice crawling
It's
though.
fully stock. We haven't changed the steering
Now
wheel
Andrew,
on
do you have it at all? Is all the diffs locked on it?
I think so.
What are you running on that? I've got all the diffs locked here on the Blazer. We're gonna have to get a different line here. See if we can get up this rock here. Oh. Can we save it? Yeah, we could. A lot of leaves here, makes it a little tough sometimes. We're gonna hit it a different line. These leaves are really tough. I think we'll have to unlock here. Get out of hard time on this rock. There's really no good angle to hit it.
Except for there.
Oh, there we go. I finally got up it.
Oh, there's a leak. Now, look how far the TRX4 is. Yeah, TRX4 Sport.
I tried, I didn't make it. Let's see if the 6x6 can do it.
Looks like the front of the body's getting hung up.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to try to hit it with one tire. Hit it on an angle.
Yeah.
Hit it on an angle and then turn into it. There you go. Andrew, I would say that 6x6 is doing real well.
Yeah,
Look at that. Wow.
Look
Thing
at
hits
that
a
ball
good
in
angle.
the wall.
Wow. Well, let's see if we can do that with the Blazer, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know if the Blazer is going to come off that rock the same because you got that longer wheelbase, and that really, really works for that truck well.
Yeah, it does. Looks good when you're crawling like this.
I'm gonna take a little different angle here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to try to dip my tire down into this other rock here and then back down so that I don't... Oh, I made it!
Hey guys, maybe there would be a trail that heads to the river that you can drive with. Look at that.
All right, so we're gonna end the video here. It's getting dark out. We're gonna head back to the truck. The TRX4 Sport really did an awesome job with this tire setup on here. For stock tires, with the 3-cell LiPo, we're really really happy with the turnout on how it's performing. Would you say, Aiden?
Yeah.
Yeah, you happy with the tires?
Yeah.
Yeah, tracks are cool, man, but the tires do a really good job, right?
Yeah. I would say we keep the tires on.
Yeah, we'll keep the tires on for a while. Hey, guys, if it snows, we're definitely going to break out the tracks and see what the tracks could do in the snow, because we haven't had a chance yet.
Yeah. Guys, please like and subscribe to our channel, Jag RC and Outdoor Adventures. Smash that like button.